فَأَمَّا الْيَتِيمَ فَلَا تَقْهَرْ. So therefore, and when it comes to the orphan, do not treat them with harshness. The word فَأَمَّا means, and when it comes to. Al-yatim means the orphan. Fala means do not. And takhar means to treat someone with humiliation. To be harsh to someone, to be imposing, to be bullying someone. That is takhar. So why is Allah talking about the orphan? Because the orphan is the most vulnerable part of the human society. In the human society, you have those who are empowered and those who are powerless. And among the powerless, nobody is more vulnerable than the orphan. And the concept of Islam is not to have pity on the orphan. The concept of Islam is ikram al-yatim. It is to give honor and respect to the orphan. There was an orphan child who was robbed of all his inheritance and money by Abu Jahl. And Abu Jahl was a very strong Meccan leader. And it was a norm in the Meccan society. This orphan child, he went to different leaders in Mecca and he said, could anyone fight my case? And as a jest and as a joke, they told him, oh yeah, why don't you go to the Prophet Muhammad, may peace be upon him, and he'll fight your case. Because they knew that Abu Jahl is the arch enemy of the Prophet. And he does not like the Prophet. And they were like, oh, it's going to be fun. When this child goes to Muhammad, may peace be upon him, and tells him, can you go to Abu Jahl and ask him to give me my inheritance and my right? And the child, because he was a child, an innocent orphan child, he did not know what to do. So he did go. He thought it was a sincere advice. And he went to the Prophet, may peace be upon him. And he said, would you please help me get my inheritance back? Abu Jahl has confiscated everything. And the Prophet went up to Abu Jahl and he spoke to him. And he said, you should give to this child what is rightly belonging to this child. And Abu Jahl got so scared and intimidated by the Prophet, his arch enemy, coming up and taking side of the orphan, that he gave back all the inheritance he has confiscated from that child. So that's one of the examples of how the Prophet would stand up for the right of the orphan.